Come test drive the 2023 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, sunroof, trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find heads-up display, keyless start, power outlet, console, floor mats. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.